Good morning. I had to come in private with this one because I didn't want to be one of those people getting on here showing their emotions for views. It's not about that. And it's not fake. It's very real. I don't even care what this video looks like, but I want you to hear me. I want you to hear me loud and clear. I made a no video editing challenge because I was led by God. I was led to do this challenge. And I was hoping to be a blessing to people. But let me tell you something. I was never expecting this. And I had a whole nother video ready to come up for you guys. I had it already kind of scripted out on a card like I did yesterday. But what I just watched blew that out the water. And I want you to go to this channel. I don't care if you ever watch me again. I want you to go and watch this little shed of mine, and I'll put her link down in the description because I can't edit this video. I can't even put up her channel on the page because I'll be breaking the challenge rules that I set. But she is going through in the month of October, which is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. She has just had a double mastectomy. And when I saw her comments to go watch her page, she didn't ask me to go watch. I just wanted to go watch her page because she was being obedient to the challenge. And she said, it's out of her comfort zone, but she was going to go post the video anyway. So I was led to go and watch. And she killed her 30-second intro. It was amazing. And I laughed and it was funny, but little did I expect her to be in a beautiful house robe. My grandma used to wear house robes, the house dresses, but I was not expecting her to say that she was post-op of a double mastectomy. And she was still led to do the challenge and the no editing video. So let me tell you something right now. If that does not inspire you to get on here and to bless somebody else with what you're going through, to show them that they could come out, that they could come through, that they can make it over whatever mountain that is before them with faith, persistence, and perseverance, and by the word of God. If that does not compel you, I don't know what else will. And that one right there hit close to me because I have somebody in my family who has overcome, and she is an overcomer, and she knows exactly who she is. She's been a blessing to me, knowing her my life. But to watch this YouTuber, this little shed of mine, get on here and talk about how she is persevering, and let me tell you, her sense of humor is amazing. I was laughing and crying through the video, and I'm still crying because she inspired me. And the whole point of my channel was to be a blessing and to inspire other people. Because my channel was mandated by the word of God. He gave me a vision. When he told me, I was walking on the beach in San Diego, and I said, God, what do you want me to do in this time of my life? I've done a lot of things and I've done them well, but I want to be used for your glory. And so I asked God, and he told me this in my voice, in my spirit, for me to do the most amount of good for the greatest amount of people in the shortest amount of time, for the greatest amount of good around the world. And I don't know where my little shed where she lives, this little shed of mine, that's what it's called. And she is a real person. You guys keep talking about the algorithm that this and the algorithm that. The algorithm is your audience. The algorithm is a metric to pick up your audience. So be more concerned about the audience and not the algorithm, not any metrics, because behind every click of a button is a real human being waiting to be inspired, waiting to hear your voice, waiting for you to pray for them, waiting for you to uplift them, waiting for you to motivate and inspire them. Like I hope I'm inspiring you through my channel and through my life. And that's all I got. You guys be blessed. This is day 2 of the challenge. Keep doing great things. Keep bringing value to people. And don't worry about the views. Keep bringing value and the views will come. People will love you. Just be yourself. Be persistent and be on purpose. I love you and goodbye.